Today we are going to walk you through how best to use the new Surgimate reporting feature by showing you a use case. First, ensure that your Surgimate practice is the most up-to-date version of the system. To do this, first log out of Surgimate and then log back in. Here I am logged in as Emily Smith. Emily would like to see how many surgeries have been scheduled at her practice's own ASC. First, I will click on the Reports tab located in the top left-hand side of the bar. Next, I will choose the correct report. In this case, I chose Total Surgeries by Facility by clicking on the Report drop-down box. Next, I choose Dr. Green in the Performing Provider drop-down. You can choose as many or as few providers as you would like. After selecting Dr. Green, I pick the facility that I would like to see in the report through the facility dropdown. In this case, I will choose the ASC. Now we can decide between filtering by either create date, which is the date the surgery was created in Surgimate, or date of service, which is the date the surgery is scheduled for. Here, I pick date of service to see all surgeries scheduled to take place in January at the ASC by Dr. Green. I have decided to select active surgeries from the status dropdown to see only surgeries that are scheduled to occur. In my final step, I choose the visual presentation of the information through the chart type. After selecting all my filters, I simply click on Get Report and all the information automatically populates on the screen. Now I can either download the visual report to show colleagues or take a deeper dive into the information by clicking on the chart. I can now filter and customize the report as needed. For more information, please contact us at support@surgimate.com.